Welcome to the Dolomites. So we've been here a couple days now in the Dolomites.
Dolomiti, yeah.
Dolomiti. And we've tried twice to go take a little hike right by our place where we're staying. And we got rained out within like 10 minutes of both times trying. But today, it's nice and sunny. And we're going to do the SECEDA. Or SECEDA.
I don't know how to say it.
Good, I'm not alone. This is a magnificent place to do a hike, but it's a big hike to get to the top, so we're doing the gondola today. All right, let's show you some views.
Well, we're currently on the first gondola, and this one goes from 1,245 meters up to 1,730. From there, we will take another, looks like a bigger gondola if the picture is representative. We're excited to be able to take the easy way up and maybe hike up there a little bit and enjoy the views. The Dolomites really have these crazy rocky mountains, spiky. I think I read somewhere that the Dolomites are more of a newer mountain range, like geologically speaking, and so maybe that's why they are not so sort of rounded off at the top.
They're also on the UNESCO World Heritage.
Yep. Yeah, they are. As they should be, based on my perspective here.
So how many miles if you want to hike?
Doesn't say.
Oh.
Most of the signs have like how long it takes. They don't have miles. Say an hour and a half, whatever. The one at the top is SECEDA, and it doesn't list.
Ah, just follow track 2A. Okay.
All right, time for number 2.
And it is bigger,
Yeah.
so we don't get to ride that one by ourselves. God. I'm gonna cry. It's freaking amazing. It's like the Grand Canyon kind of thing, you know, only better, really, if you ask me. Like, it's not real, you know, it's just amazing. Wow. You just have to see it to believe it, because this video or pictures is not going to do it justice at all. Wow. How many times can you say wow?
You're giving it a good shot.
Wow. It's crazy. It's just beautiful. There he goes. I better go catch up with him. and all these other people. And this is August, and there's not as many travelers with the current situations. So I would hate to see this on a busy vacation day, but it makes it nice. It's simply beautiful.
See clouds coming up from this sort of cauldron behind here, and then the wind is coming up this, and it's pushing the clouds sort of that way. So that's
Which is great for us because it's not covering it up.
clouds about to swallow us here. I have a feeling that this video may not have a lot of talking. It's just impossible to describe how green, lush, beautiful, unique, miraculous. I don't know. My vocabulary is not rich enough to describe it properly. It's amazing though. Definitely worth it. You should come here, all of you. Makes you wonder if some of these people that are just barely getting up here are actually hiking from the bottom.
Well, I don't know. It's pretty steep. I wouldn't want to be coming up this. I'm glad we're going down. And we'll go up at an angle over there, or even over there. So there's a lot of
Somewhere
options.
over there.
Yeah, over
somewhere.
there. There's a lot of options here. So I could be up here all day.
Well, isn't that what we're doing anyway?
That's what we're doing. Where to?
I think that's the a viewpoint over there.
Oh, that's it. That's where we're headed, over there. Okay.
There's horses, see? There's a horse right there.
So where we're headed now is apparently the ticket that Stain bought for our gondola ride up here includes a little extra ski lift from down here back up to where we started. So we don't have to walk back up this hill. So I'm a happy camper. Are we 4A?
I don't know. It doesn't show 4A, but it shows 4.
Okay.
4 seems to be the right general vicinity.
Maybe this is 4A is a shortcut, maybe.
Yeah, I hope so.
Okay.
Not into the long cuts right about now.
Yay, there it is.
We have a visual.
Sweet.
After 29,000, no, I'm just kidding. 9,000 steps. Mostly downhill, so.
Yeah. These views just never stop. Okay, we're gonna go back up there.